Let's start this beast up. Yeah. All right. Project Frankenstein time, baby. Boom. So as you guys know, we're waiting on just a couple parts. I just need the push rods. So right now I figure I bleed the brakes. One problem I have is when I'm pushing on the brakes now, it pushes fluid out the top. So one suggestion is there might be air in the brake lines. So I'm gonna do that. Louis is gonna help me, and we're gonna get it done. So yeah, let's do that. Boom. Well, this is crazy. So you can see all the rust on there, and all that rust is where the fluid's actually leaked out. That's kind of lame. It rusts up that easily, though. I wonder if you can knock it off. I don't know. So first things first, let's see how much fluid we got. I know this bad boy was full when I last took it out. Yeah, see, that's crazy. I had that cylinder full too. I know that. Dang. All right, let's make sure to top it off. All right, good old O'Reilly's. Boom, baby. Fill this bad boy up. Call that good. Got plenty to go. Got another bottle too if I need it. All right, let's bleed this bad boy. 3/8 for the bleeder valve. 3/8 play up. Boom. You can see it's that little valve. So see where the line goes in, the little valve right on top. That's where I'll be turning. You see it's got the little hexagon deal at the bottom, the hole in the top. So the only part that's a real bummer is I don't have the bleeding kit, you know, with the tube. But I've already bled it before, so I just want to get a little bit more of the air out. I think that's what's causing the problem. Yeah, lots of air bubbles. So I'm going to let it go till I don't see air bubbles. And that looks good. That definitely could have been part of the problem because there was definitely some air bubbles in there. All right, so now I'm gonna go re-top off the fluid. All right, so you can see I just lost a little fluid, not much. So I just top this off. I don't know, maybe I should bleed it some more. I might bleed it some more. And of course, you wanna pump the brakes. Boom. Let's see. Doesn't feel. They feel good, but I gotta get that air out of there. All right, let's see. This side looks about the same over here. Maybe some bubbles came up a little bit. All right, let's go bleed some more. Let's do that tire. So right now I'm trying to loosen up the other bleeder valve, but unfortunately it's really stuck on there. I had the same challenge last time, so I need to figure something out, but you can see I can't get the thing loose no matter what I try. So you can see the valve up there. It's I'm a little worried because I don't want to strip it out either. But I had this problem with it last time, which is probably why I got the air still in there. I need to figure out a way to get that thing off without stripping it completely. So I'm a little stuck. Can't get that freaking thing off. I want to see maybe I can get like I don't know, some WD-40 type of solution to loosen it up. I had the same problem with this wheel. I totally forgot about it. Any suggestions, put it down below. I just don't want to strip it off. Maybe I'll take the tire off and try and see if maybe I can get the leverage with the tire off. I'm trying to pull it off. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Alright, now it's time to do the front ones. I still got to figure out that back brake situation, but let's do these ones. Bam. It's right here. Can you see it? Yeah. Wait, what? That one was tough. Okay, I got a little bit of air bubbles. Definitely see some air bubbles. And tighten this. So it's a little messy if you don't have the little drip kit. So definitely buy the drip kit. But with both of these so far that I've popped off, there's been quite a bit of air bubbles coming out. So I'm confident. So right now I'm not gonna film it, but I'll go re-top off the fluid again, and then we're gonna do this other wheel over here. Ooh, is that a spider? Oh no. All right, so I re-topped off the fluid and then re-pushed down the brake several times, pumped the brake quite a few times. Definitely looks like it's getting better. I don't know, maybe I should go buy that kit and like really bleed it out. That might help. I might do that. But I'm still gonna do this one over here too. Let's try this out. See how well this does. Yeah, when you park outside, you get cobwebs. All right, let's see. That one came off easy peasy, lemon squeezy. No fluids coming out. All right, I want to give you a better view. So a little started dripping out. It's a little funny because it should be, I mean, it's basically almost off. I mean, this should be gushing right now. I think I'm going to take it out and make sure we bleed it well enough. That's a little funny. I mean, it should really be going more than that. I wonder if there's something messed up with it. I mean, I don't know, this seems okay. Pressure seems pretty low though. Huh. I don't even see air bubbles coming out of this one. Let's just put it, oh, there we go. Maybe something was stuck in the tip. Now it's coming out. Saw some air bubbles too. There we go. Okay, let's call that good. I really gotta take these wheels off and mess with them. Okay. And there we go. Dayton, look at that. Dayton. No clue what that means though. Alright, let's see how it looks up top. Honestly, not that bad. Not that much fluid came out of there. Let's top it off. I wonder if this is the front. I wonder if it's front brakes, back brakes. I wonder. I don't know. Who am I to know? Come on. All right, let's see. Let's pop this bad boy back on. That's so funny. Just because all that fluid, look, it looks all rusty just because all that fluid came out the top. All right, let's check it out. Let's push on the brake. All right, so I'm pushing on the brake. I'm trying to see if anything leaks out the top there. Doesn't look like it. Brake is definitely stiff, so that's good. So you can see bleeding your brakes pretty easy. If you haven't done it, I wouldn't worry about trying to do it. It's pretty simple. I just need to figure out why that one I can't get off, or I guess more so just how to get it off. But really simple. The brakes definitely feel better. I'm hoping it won't spew out the top now that we blend them a little bit more. But I am worried that with that one brake not popping loose, so that's maybe why I still got some air in those lines. So I'll probably have to take that tire off and see if I can, from the opposite side, be able to crank on it and get it off. So, all right, like and subscribe, people. Boom, do it. You know you want to. Just push it. All right, let's start this beast up. Yeah.